Ever notice how two people can open Temu on the same day, yet one sees much better offers than the other? That question made me curious, so instead of searching for another secret hack, I started testing something much simpler. Does the way you begin your Temu session actually matter? At first, I followed the usual routine: open the app, browse for a few minutes, add products to the cart, then look for a coupon code. The result, the offers felt pretty ordinary. Nothing really stood out, so I changed the order. Before I searched for anything, before I tapped a single product, I activated the code on the screen. That became the very first step. The difference surprised me. Instead of the basic offers I was used to seeing, I started getting larger coupon bundles, stronger discount offers, extra reward opportunities, and a much more active free gift section. I thought it might just be luck, so I repeated the test. Same account, similar products, different shopping sessions. Whenever I relied on random codes, the experience felt average. Whenever I started with the code on the screen, I consistently saw the strongest overall combination of offers. That's when I stopped thinking about triggering the free gift as a hidden trick. It wasn't about tapping faster or finding a secret menu. It was about starting with the right foundation. For me, that meant activating the code before doing anything else. Now, let's keep this realistic. Temu promotions change regularly, and different users may receive different offers. No coupon code can guarantee identical rewards for every account, but after comparing multiple methods, one habit stayed in my routine: start with the code on the screen. It consistently gave me better coupon bundles, stronger discounts, and more free gift opportunities than the random codes I had been testing. That's why it's the first thing I do every time I open Temu. If you're trying to trigger the Temu free gift offer today, activate the code on the screen before you start browsing. Then come back and tell me, did you notice better coupon bundles, stronger offers, or both?